Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. So let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel as it really helps out with me making content like this. So over here you can see my table of contents. I just named this as my first page table of contents. It's a little messy, but I created an introduction here about me and the story. And you can see down here I've got my first page here, introduction. Let me just kind of scale it up or scale it down. This is my second page about me, and then the end of story is on the third page, or the fourth page actually. So now what I did here is, so on my first page I created an introduction. I just typed in some text, and once you type in some text, come over here, highlight it all, and then in the styles menu you want to label it as heading 1. Okay, so you just come over here, click apply heading 1, and then you do it to the same thing for the second page and the third page. So after you've highlighted all of these header ones, you want to come over here and it'll auto populate these links. Once you come over here to insert table of contents, and I chose links as my table of contents. You could also choose dotted or plain text, but for me I chose links, and this is what it did. So as soon as you highlight on this and you click on it, you could click on introduction and it brings you to that page. It brings you to where you place that header 1. So watch as I select the about me, it'll bring me down to page 2, about me, and then I come over to end of story, it'll bring me down to page 3. So that's how you add table of contents in Google Docs. Again, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.